The sky looks so nice with interesting clouds, so I decided to see if I could hack the ActiveTrack. I selected the outer ring, and then I brought down the drone as far down as it would come. Looks good so far. I know I can't go too fast because then I know it will lose me, so I try to go slow and see what happens. It more or less keeps the distance both from behind and to the ground, and even when it almost hit a tree, it catches up with me. To make sure I have a precision landing, I go above 7 meters. I then go down and through the small gap you can see straight in front of me. Tight, but I took it actually manually. I looked at the drone rather than the screen. Nice scenery, but now it's time to return to home. At first it looks like it's going to go back exactly the same way that I came out, rather than going on top of me and down. And then it changes its mind. Perhaps it's easier to go this way. Wait, no, it's more fun if it goes the other way, so it actually goes back to where I came from. It's going fast down, so I'm a little bit scared. Messing about a little bit, and then nicely returns through the tight spot that I came out of. That's impressive.